This is the site of the old Merchants and Farmers Bank. It's empty now and it's locked up. This building was built in 1903 and was a mixture of marble and concrete. The inside, if we could look inside, we cannot see. Oh, there we go. Now we can see inside. If you see back there, it's just a shell of a building now. The original wood floors are underneath to the left, and the entryway was, I believe, marble laid stones. This cool old building is haunted. I believe it's now owned by the Imes family. But what's cool about this building, please ignore my big behind in the reflection in the glass. Don't know who that lady is. Anyways, this building is haunted by whom I believe is Davis Patty. Now, Davis Patty was an amazing gentleman who lived in this town and worked for Merchants and Farmers Bank, I believe, if not his whole career, most of it. And I could do a whole video on just Davis Patty, but he was quite the character. Merchants and Farmers Bank was run by Mr. John Henry and served this community in its heyday when the cotton mill was just down the street and the city blocks were filled with businesses. And there you go. I swear I can't make a video without the flower waterers going by making a racket. Anyways, and I'm not sure what that building was across the street, and I can't remember, but for some reason I think it was a bank also. But guess I'm gonna be doing some research. Lots of cool buildings in this town, but this one is special, and I hope somebody buys it one day and restores it and turns it into something interesting. Anyways, thanks for visiting my little town and seeing what it's like in Columbus, Mississippi.